Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the remote control of Sharp air conditioner. This is on-off button of the air conditioner, and with its help we can turn the air conditioner on and off. This is the mode button, and with its help we can change the modes of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: heating, cooling, drying, fan, and auto. Most air conditioner users mainly use the cooling mode. For this reason, we will start with its explanation first. We press the mode button several times, and when a snowflake appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we set the air conditioner temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius. It is not advisable to stay in a room with a temperature below 22 degrees Celsius for a long time, as it can cause colds. This is the fan button. With itself, we can change the speed of the air conditioner fan. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: auto, low, medium, high. You can select the desired fan mode in cooling mode. You can select the low fan speed so that the fan sound does not disturb you in the bedroom. It is recommended to set the air conditioner temperature to 24 degrees for the air conditioner to save energy. To switch to other modes of the air conditioner, we press the mode button again. A water drop symbol appears on the screen. This is the drying mode and is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. When we press the mode button again, the fan icon appears on the screen. This is the fan mode, and in this mode the air conditioner will work like a regular fan. We press the mode button again and we see this symbol on the screen. Now the air conditioner is in auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to keep the temperature in the house at 24 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is above 24 degrees, the air conditioner will operate in cooling mode, and if it is below, it will operate in heating mode. When appear here 1 degrees plus, 25 degrees will be applied in auto mode. When 1 degrees down, 23 degrees will be applied. We press the mode button again and switch to heating mode. In this mode, we keep the air conditioner temperature above 26 degrees. In heating mode, setting the air conditioner fan speed to auto mode speed will allow the air conditioner to operate efficiently, because in this case the fan speed will be selected by the microprocessor. At the same time, the air conditioner evaporator will be covered with snow only when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. The air conditioner also has other buttons. For example, the display button is used to turn the light off on the air conditioner's display on and off. When 1 hour button is pressed, the air conditioner will turn off after 1 hour. When the remote control is standby mode, pressing the same button will turn on the air conditioner after 1 hour. The swing button of the air conditioner is used to move its blinds or stop it in any position. There is an interesting ion button here. When this button is pressed once, positive and negative ions are released, and when pressed again, only negative ions are released. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. Now we switch to timer mode. Sometimes it happens that we want our room to be cooled before we return from work. For example, we leave home at a.m. 8 in the morning and we will return at p.m. 6 in the evening. So our air conditioner needs to turn on after 8 hours to cool our house. We press the timer on button and set the hour to 8. Our air conditioner will turn on after 8 hours. Or if we want our air conditioner to turn off after 5 hours, we press the timer off button and set the timer to 5 hours. We need to press the cancel button to exit the timer mode. Thank you for watching us until the end.